Now check out the stinker flying in at number 17. Ever have a neighbor that gives you lots of crap? Literally? This demented dog walker has chosen a fellow resident's bushes as his daily dumping ground. The homeowner found the stash by accident and set up a camera to ID the culprit. It didn't take long. The man is so brazen that even when the owner is in his yard, he simply waits until his back is turned to make the deposit. Over the next few months, the scandalous man does his dirty deed again and again. Authorities are alerted and shown the video. And the mudslinger is charged with littering and improper waste disposal. As part of his punishment, here he is being forced to clean up his mess. His neighbors would ask him about his crappy behavior, but it's a good bet that any explanation would just be a pile of you-know-what.